is a group of agile technology developers that provide customers with a unique approach to product development, successfully serving multiple industry sectors. Ramp develops custom automated manufacturing solutions, specializing in AMR fleet logistics. Although there are some similarities between a traditional mobile guided vehicle and an autonomous mobile robot, each has specific characteristics making them useful for different applications. An AGV is not really a robot, but a robotic device. It needs to follow a fixed path with beacons, magnets, or tape, as it lacks the autonomy to determine or redefine its own route or function. By contrast, an AMR has freedom of movement and decision-making, allowing it to navigate without external guidance. AMRs are designed with a variety of safety features to ensure smooth and safe operation in a range of environments. In places where a work environment is shared with humans, AMRs work better than AGVs due to their adaptive flexibility and efficiency in sharing tasks. For example, if an AMR is transporting any material from one point to another and encounters a pallet head-on, it will avoid the obstacle and redefine its route. These include computer vision with lasers and LiDAR, which allow the robots to detect and avoid obstacles, as well as monitor a payload's vertical overhang. Additionally, AMRs are equipped with fully adjustable perimeters, which allow them to navigate around obstacles and ensure their safe operation at all times. The onboard navigation systems are also utilized in the setup process. By connecting the manual joystick, a unit is driven through the planned work environment to create a map of the space. The map is then broken down into specific or preferred paths for travel or restricted spaces to prevent entry. Lastly, autonomous mobile robots have much more advanced software and hardware, expanding their possible applications such as inspection and surveillance tasks, error detection, transport of materials, storage, and distribution. At Ramp, we understand that managing a fleet of AMRs can be a complex task, which is why we provide advanced fleet management systems. These systems allow users to monitor and manage the robot fleet in real time, including advanced logistics management, which enables users to plan and optimize routes for multiple AMRs, and networking capabilities, which allow robots to communicate with each other, sharing information. The logistics management system bridges the gap between individual AMRs and the operational inputs. The intelligence of the system defines the deliveries based on specific criteria and monitors progress to completion. The system also communicates with legacy traffic systems to control and prioritize material flow, creating a truly balanced logistics platform. All aspects of the delivery parameters are tracked and logged for data analysis and system optimization. The analytics and add-on systems are standard features, providing users with the tools needed to manage a flexible delivery system. They allow users to remotely monitor the status of their AMRs, including any issues or faults that may arise. Data communications can be extended into an organization's material management systems, and work-in-process material traceability can change state as it is processed, allowing for the most accurate inventory record keeping in real time. This feature allows users to quickly and easily address any issues that may arise during operation, ensuring the smooth and efficient performance of their AMRs at all times. Our products have been developed and tested to meet functional requirements, maximum payload, performance durability, and reliability for high uptimes. The goal for our products is flexibility for the operation, ease of deployment, quick delivery while remaining economically viable. We achieve this by listening to end users, designing safe and efficient solutions. These solutions are ready to ship with a healthy supply of pre-assembled units and parts inventory. Our AMR support physical capacities for payloads ranging from 200 to 1,200 kilograms, along with fully customizable add-on appliances for unique operational tasks. Lift units can pick and place loads to stationary stands and fit to various AMR models, depending on the application needs. Our cart mover products can transport loads up to 500 kilograms and provide flexibility for manual positioning at points of operation. as well as automated pickup and drop-off. Flow racks can be customized for any pallet or tote configuration needed for transfers and delivery of up to 500 kilograms. The LD250 is a compact and versatile AMR that is suitable for a wide range of applications. Its ability to engage carts and appliances such as the FR200 and FR350 make it a perfect solution for various logistic needs. The LD250 is also equipped to perform quality control tasks and has traceability features such as barcode reading capabilities, which enables it to track the location of vehicles passing by and drop locations. With capabilities like the LD250. The HD1500 is a larger AMR that is designed for heavy load and lift capabilities. It is suitable for easily moving heavy payloads and can be used in a variety of industrial and warehouse settings. With RAMP as part of the Samuel Automation Solutions Group, we have a large footprint to support our global customers' needs for delivery, fleet implementation, and support. Learn more and start the process by contacting one of our solutions experts at sales@rampgrp.com.